Welcome back to our new session. In this session, I am going to explain you about creating asset accounting document. Okay, this is AA, and in my previous session, I have explained about DR DZ document and KR KZ document and SA documents. For your reference, I will mention this in the end title cards. Then you can go and verify. And all my SAP videos I have uploaded in a serial format so that you will not get mixed up with the other topics. Like you can follow each and every video for a serial in a serial order so that you will have a good understanding in learning the Sap Fico. Okay, now let's see how the AA document will be done. Now first let's log into our SAP screen. OBA7, click on position, UAA, enter, double click on this. You could see as usual the document type and the number range, and here you need to give the access for all assets, customer, vendor and material GL account. For all account types you need to give the access, and in the control data the native postings permitted, intercompany postings you should give this access. These are same, no need to modify anything. And in the currency, give standard translation at AV rate and leave this all blank. Click on the number range information, give the company code ABCT, hit enter, then click on the intervals, then click on plus or F6, give 06 2025 tab. You should start from 2500 because you have given 2499 until 2499 you have given, so you should start from 2500 and then you could give until 2999. Hit enter. You can click on the save, click on the red mark, the changes have been saved, cancel. You can cancel this, then here you can click on the save. You can create a document request and the data has been saved. Okay, now let's see one more. I will do another entry for showing you how to delete a row. Okay, I am clicking on the plus. I have given 07 2025 here from 3000 to 3499. I am hitting the enter and I am saving this document. Okay, in the AA document I have done this, so I am going back. Okay, once again now I will show how to delete a row, how to delete a number range. Give OBA7, check on the AA, hit enter. Here you could tick this and you could click on the minus or F7 button so that it will be automatically deleted. You can see like the 7th column which we have already given, like from 3000 to 3499 it has been deleted. So this is how we will delete the number range which we do not need, or if there is any discrepancy, if we want to make any changes in the document and document number range, so we can do the following thing in order to remove the number range or else in order to add the number range. Okay, and this number range is also a small topic and I would explain in my upcoming video for showing like how to add a number range for another documents, like each and every document, and how to delete the number range documents as well. And I would say more about what are the uses of the number range as well. So that's all for this video, guys. I hope you guys have got a clear understanding about asset accounting document, and I request you to like this video and share this video to your friends who are willing to learn Sap Fico, and please subscribe this channel for more upcoming sessions. And thank you. Have a great day.